pizza. Said you already put it in the oven.
Yes, we already put it in the oven for 8 minutes to pre-bake it. So now we're ready to put all the toppings. So we're going to go ahead and do butter first. So Tommy is going to spread some butter on his crust.
Ew, that's gross.
You guys, this is butter.
No, that's gross. I do like it. Oh, that's okay. You make a mess.
That's okay with you.
Get some more. Wait.
And then put a little bit right here in the corners. Okay, now Ariel's going to put some butter on her crust.
You see, guys, this is everything because you guys do the butter but this is butter and this is cheese and this is tomato sauce.
Marinara sauce.
Huh?
Marinara sauce.
Oh, marinara sauce. Right. The sauce is
It smells like butter.
I didn't like tomato sauce.
Hmm?
I didn't like tomato sauce.
Ew.
Ew.
It's going to taste good once it's in the oven. That's enough butter.
It tastes
Wait, I want to get a little bit more. A little bit. And that's all.
Put some more.
Are you kidding me?
When Daddy come, I gotta show Daddy where to make the pizza.
Nick, come and smell it. It smells like butter.
Okay. Let's see.
And I put some garlic. Mike, I put some cheese on mine.
Yes. So tell everybody what you're doing.
This is I'm making the cheese in mine.
Mm-hmm.
Oh my God.
Ariel's going to be doing the garlic cheesy bread. So we're going to watch out.
Oh, garlic.
Now, can I mix it?
I'll put a little garlic.
Ooh.
Okay, spread it a little bit.
Let me smell it.
More cheese.
Yeah, just yeah,
All right, Mama, I think you're ready for cheese.
yeah.
Cheese.
Oh, I thought you could be mad.
Mm-mm.
I need one more.
That's a lot of cheese you're gonna eat?
Yeah.
He's going to have a cheesy pizza. Yum.
Yum, yummy.
That is so
No, don't spread it off. Just got to leave it on top.